quiet path beneath my feet, woods alive with color sweet, golden leaves and crimson light, whisper stories soft and bright, every step a gentle breath, letting go of what was left, seasons turning, shifting slow, showing where it's time to go. Splendor glowing all around, painted trees on sacred ground, all the cycles wrapped in hue, teaching what is old and new, walking through the fading flame, grateful hearts will not remain, holding tight to yesterday. Colors guide the peaceful way. In the stillness, wisdom grows, silent truth the forest shows, every ending starts again, nature tells us when